Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're into software testing, DevOps, and QA automation. What if I told you that you could earn globally recognized certification from one of the top testing platforms absolutely free? Yes, you heard it right. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So here we have LambdaTest, which is a leading cloud-based platform that helps developers and testers to run their web application and websites across 3,000 plus browsers without needing any physical setup. It is trusted by thousands of companies worldwide for cross-browser testing, automation, and continuous integration workflows. So if you see here on this website, they are mentioning that the native AI agentic cloud platform to supercharge quality engineering testing intelligently and cheap faster. That means they are providing the agentic AI facility where you are testing your test cases. Here, if you see the interfaces is here, they have 120 plus integration they are mentioning, and they have their core products. If you see the browser testing, real device cloud, automation cloud, hyper executed, gain AI, their own AI and agent to agent, and etc. and so on. So now the thing is that how should I learn these things? So here is the best part. If you come here, I will share you the link on the comment box. You are getting the opportunity to gain the free certification from LambdaTest. So what you need to do to earn this certification, which is on your screen. So what you need to do, you just come to this site. I will be sharing this link on the description box. If you see, there are different courses are here. If I click on show more, so I would get different courses are here, such as accessibility testing, Selenium 101, then we have Selenium Advanced, then we have Playwright 101, Playwright 102, then Cypress 101, Appium 101, Selenium Java 101, Selenium Python 101, and so on. And there are other courses. And the best part is, if you complete any of these courses, you will be awarded free certification, which is like this. And that certificate will be valid till next 2 years. So here they are completely mentioning that get certified for free. That means you don't have to pay anything. And if I come down, and what is the certification duration? So you have to complete this in 45 minutes, and the posting assignment to be completed in 36 hours. And how long this? Here it says that you will get your score and the certificate if passed within 10 to 15 days. Fine. And how long the certification will be valid? It is valid for next 2 years, as I mentioned. Fine. And you can reappear after 45 days if you fail by any chance. But I don't think you can fail. You can easily pass. If you study hard, definitely you are going to pass. So how we are going to do the same? Now, suppose I want to go with this Selenium 101. I will click on enroll now. Here it says that you can win this, or you can get this award as certificate. What you need to do, you have to do the assessment 2 rounds, objective test, assignments, and you need to 70+% to be certified. So just click on get certified. Here you need to log in. So I do not have any account here. So I will click on sign up. Here it's asking for business email. Alright. So here I have given my few details they have asked. So I have logged in here. It is saying that this is a time slot when you are available for the examination. Try to see what is available. No. For tomorrow, yeah, I am getting some timetable. I'm just selecting. It says that 1 past 25 minutes at night for 14th October. I'm choosing submit. So it says that you have booked the certification exam, and click on continue. Alright. And since you have directly see that you can directly book the certification examination, then how you are going to prepare yourself? So to prepare yourself, I will give you this Learning Hub link. And if you see here, the Selenium tutorials are here. If I'm clicking on the Selenium tutorial, So here I can see all the tutorials on the left, and I can read out whatever tutorial I need to learn. So here I can learn all those things from here. So this is how you can prepare yourself, like how you're going to sign up, how you're going to log in, how you're going to prepare, and how you're going to get certified. So once you're certified, that means you take 10 to 15 days as per their criteria to get the result at your inbox. So make sure that your inbox is clean and perfect, that you can easily understand that the email is delivering at your box, right? So that's it for this video. So if you have got any value from this video, please give a like. If you have any comments, if you want to say something, the comment box is open for you. And if you yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free certification offers, free educational resources, and free Udemy courses. That's it for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.